Hello, I would like to explain a little bit more about our page. So, as I told you, we create our page in Weebly. Um, Here we have some specification how you can find Weebly on Google or in another social. We have the purpose. The purpose of teaching practice to provide the student with an opportunity to apply their pedagogical knowledge and skill in practice. One of the aims is also that the student will be able to understand his or her role in the larger world of the profession and in the extent operational environment of the school. So we have here some description like what is teaching. We have a small video here. What is teaching? Many topics that we think that can be really nice for teacher, for English teacher. For example, the seating arrangement, how we can put our class at the time that we are teaching to our students, and we have here the examples, how the classroom needs to be. And we have also, at the end of the explanation, we have a video where you can look all the information about it. Also, we have some pictures of our students where they are working. You can see here. Also, some activities like what is the warm up and what is the wrap up. What is the difference with each one? And we have an example here where our student is solving a puzzle like a warm up. Students are also here in this picture. They are practicing the body parts as like a warm up. Also, we have another in the menu. You can see that we have the home, the services, about news and contact. The services. Which services? So, like I told you before, we have a lot of information that we think that can be useful for the English teachers, and it's really important to know it. Let's see. We have outdoor activities, a lot of examples that you can make with your students at the end that you or during your class. A lot of activities like water balloon, hula hoop, race and catch, sensory, scavenger hunt, shadow drawing, giant bubbles, a lot of activities that you can use to learn English too. Also, how to use the word is something really important that we really need to know, because sometimes we don't know how to use it, how to catch the attention of all of our students. And don't forget to write in order the ideas and divide the word. We always need to divide the word. Also, about some information about what. Try to add information about 10 tools to teach online. We need to learn how to teach online, because now you know that is how our students are always. They are always in the social media. So we need to know how to teach online, how we can have online classes by Skype, using Google Docs, using YouTube. And we have also a video here where you can look all that information too, and the different social places or webs that we can use to have a class, an online class. About 4 skills too, how we can teach the 4 skills, the different ideas with different methods. So here we have you can see in this area, we have a document where you can look all the information about it. Also another video, it's our short video. So it's not going to be boring to death. About creating a positive learning environment. How you can create a positive learning environment in your English class. And also, in our class, we respect each other, we try our best, we are a team, we learn from mistakes, we create and we celebrate each other's success. And we have here some information too that we think that will be really useful at the end of our class. So thank you very much for your attention, and we really hope that you enjoy the page. Bye.